Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Also welcome if you are new. I just got done dropping the boys off at school, but today we are doing our 2-month home tour, kind of showing but where we've come from. And I can't even believe, like, at one part it feels like we've been in this house forever and like these projects are taking so long, but whenever I film these videos I'm like, holy cow. Like, looking back at beginning to where we are now, it's crazy. So I'm excited for our 2-month home tour. So let's get into it.
I don't usually fall for someone.
We're going to start in the front entry. As you can see, floors have all been done. There's no wall closet thing here. I still want to do something to this wall. Now this isn't real brick. They did like that textured brick look, but I still really like the look of this wall. But I want it to look more like real brick. So I'm gonna have to go in and probably paint it and then do some sort of like German schmear, just make it look like old brick. I think that'll be really pretty in this area. I still want to strip this door and get it back to the bare wood, and give it a fresh new look to it. And then the screen door has to be replaced eventually as well. But for the most part, you can see that this front entry has changed a lot. And then into our family room, we have some furniture. I still need to build the end tables, and we're gonna be doing a fireplace where we'll mount the TV on that. That's why we still have this just like folding table currently. As you can see with our paint machine, I still have painting to do in here, curtains to replace, but floor is level, which is so nice. And the floors now run throughout, so it just makes the area seem a lot bigger. So it's not done, but definitely for 2 months, big difference.
And too much for some, but oh, you make me numb like no one else. You're too much to calm me down.
Now the dining room has been painted, so this color is snowbound. If I come down here, you can kind of see the difference. So the baseboards are just a pure white, but this have a little bit more of a cream. Oh, actually here you can kind of see the two colors too. So I wanted something that was a little bit warmer of a color. We have the baseboards in here, new rug, table, chairs. Rug is from Amazon. Chairs are from Amazon. Tables from Walmart. Curtains are from Amazon. And I actually have a real tree. You guys know I'm not really good at real plants, but I really want some real plants. This is from Hobby Lobby. So, oh, I also think the placemats are from Home Goods. I really like those as well. But this room probably is the most finished, other than the kids' bedrooms. But I'd like to still get a mirror here. We want to do built-ins here, so like floor-to-ceiling cabinetry on each side with like a counter in the middle, possibly a little wine fridge, all of that. The other thing I'm still trying to figure out, so we have the ceiling fan here, and then we have a skylight there. Now this table will probably move over once the built-ins are in, but is it going to look funky to hang a light above the table with the skylight right there? I don't know. So we're just leaving it as is for now. And then once this room is more finished, I'll make that decision. But that skylight. into Freya's bedroom. It's actually not too messy. Her room's obviously been completely redone. Their floors are and the bedrooms all are original. So we're gonna not change them out. They're just fine the way they are. They're a little more gray. Like this is more of a warm tone where this is more cool, but it doesn't really bother me. Her room though is pretty much done. We do also in the future want to replace these doors. I don't love cleaning them. I feel like they look older. So I saw some bifolding barn door style that we might end up replacing, but that's going to be like down the road. We have enough other projects that need to get done. We're not stressing about that. But otherwise, yeah, that's her room. Big change. Not going to talk a ton about the kids' bathroom. Honestly, it's kind of a mess right now. They got swimsuits and towels everywhere, and we haven't really done anything. So it just still kind of is what it is. This is the room that like I'm least worried about making over at this point. So it's another one that's going to wait till more of the main stuff is done because it's completely functional. The person we bought it from did update the tile in the tub and stuff. But I still have to go in, like, it's just some messy work. There's weird texture on the wall from when they did the ceilings, like overspray. Want to redo the vanity, not replace it, but I'm going to paint it, and I want to change out the doors, take this tile down, change the mirrors. So there's stuff I want to get done. Oh, and take that soffit out eventually. But it's one of those things that it's not priority number one by any means with everything else. The boys' room. So their room's been completely redone. As you can see, we did more of a game theme. Freya loves playing in here when her brothers are at school. Freya, are you stealing your brother's stuff? Oh, you're gonna put glasses on Foxy? But we went with bunk beds again because it gave all the floor space for them. That way they could have their dual desks. I need to dust real bad. I think this is from still the drywall when we did the ceiling, so that needs to get dusted. The floors need to get cleaned. But otherwise, they've been doing pretty good at keeping their room clean, especially since, like, this is them quickly making their bed before school. I'm not too mad about it. But I love the way their room turned out and Freya's room turned out. I'm actually jealous because their rooms are way more finished than ours is.
I thought you didn't want to hang with me. Just not your kind of thing. You'd rather.
Alright, don't mind the mess, but here's the kitchen. As you can see, the soffits are gone finally, and we have drywall. This is one of the two pendants. The other one's gonna go right there. Hi. These are still need to all come out, but we're waiting till we have all the kitchen cabinets to be able to do that. And then Bobby put in the pantry. So we have a sliding barn door that's gonna go here. It's not very wide, so there's plenty of room for it to slide over and whatnot. But yeah, it doesn't look like a crazy amount has happened in here, decorating wise, but a lot of the big crazy projects have been done.
Can't believe it, no, it can't get any better now. Can't get any better now. Pretty please, tell me that you think of me. And let
Now
your
moving into the fourth bedroom, aka future nursery, and this is what it looks like. This is currently just a storage room. So because we don't have a lot of cabinets, we keep a lot of the food in here. We have this table set out with stuff that we literally grab daily to do projects in the house. Ceiling fans that need to go in. This is kitchen stuff. Just a crazy amount of stuff that once more is done, we can deal with it. But you can see here, this is a closet, and then this was where we built in the pantry. So eventually this room will get completely done up, but it's going to be one of the last things because we have to do all the other projects to empty this room. Currently, it is just storage upon storage. Hi. Alright, now into the master bedroom. Not a crazy amount has changed. However, we do have a makeover in this room coming up. So a little sneak peek of some furniture that's going to be coming into the space. The TV will be moving. But this is just kind of how it looks like right now. Kind of crazy. No real design. But TV will be moving. The bed's going to get a makeover done on it. The nightstands, and then Bobby is going to be building a fireplace right here, and then obviously I gotta still do all the trim work around everything, and then our master bathroom is coming together as well. But like I said, not a ton of changes, but it does feel a little bit more homey than in the beginning. I also need to find a rug. Having a really hard time finding a rug that I like, but slowly but surely, different areas of the house are becoming complete, and I can't wait for our bedroom oasis to be done. Now, into the master bathroom. Alright, so this is definitely the room that I am most excited about being finished. Well, 99.9% finished. You can see we have our blue vanity in. Paint, I was doing touch-up paint last night. Dual mirrors, new lighting. Everything is pretty much done in here. Turn on the lights real quick. Woohoo, bright. Shower. So this is one of the things we're waiting on. It won't have a shower curtain. It will be a full glass panel, especially since we have the dual shower heads. But we gotta wait. We still don't have the glass in yet. And then the other thing we gotta do is over here. Originally we were planning on putting like actual doors up to be a linen closet, but we got the quote and that ended up being about $2,500, so a lot more than I was originally expecting. So for now, Bobby's gonna build some floating shelves. We're gonna build one right above this laundry basket. That way we can have the shelves, but we also have an area to put our rolling laundry basket. And maybe in the future we'll add the full cabinet, but I think the shelves with some wicker baskets will still be really good. But it took about 2 months, but I am very, very happy with the way the bathroom turned out in the end. It is exactly what I was envisioning. A coastal feel without being that like in your face beach vibe. Well, I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video and getting to see the house. Like I said, it's been 2 months, which is insane, but it's been super fun to go through this process. And I know this bathroom was like one of the last things we got done other than the glass. Still missing the glass. But you forget what it was compared to what it is now. So super enjoying making these videos for you guys and then also making it for ourselves. But we'll see you next time. Bye.